Italian language can be known as a hard language because of all of those stresses they put on all the words. But the thing is, you might be an English speaker who pronounces things like park or camp or time. Those are soft sounds. That's not something good for Italian speakers. Now, you need to practice that. So I'm here to teach you some tips about how to apply that stress, and when you learn it, you can apply it on your speech when you're speaking Italian or just when you're practicing the individual Italian words. But now you might be like, I need to study everything from the beginning, the alphabet stuff. No, who said you need to apply the stress on all the alphabets and all the letters of a word? Give me 5 minutes. Ciao a tutti e benvenuti al Facile come Italiano. Hello everybody, welcome to Easy as Italian. I'm Reza, and long story short, the most important tip you can learn in this session is P, T and K. Now I know that K doesn't exist in the Italian alphabet, I told you myself. But still you may see it in the exotic words existing in Italian language, so let it be there. Now you might say like PTK, what? What's going on? Why? What is this? Well, let's pronounce this first, then we will go for the examples and the explanations. Now for P, push the lips together as hard as you can. P, P, apply the air pressure and release. P, like you're shooting a shotgun. Pow! Alright? Then we have T, T. Push the tongue behind the teeth. Apply the air pressure and then release. T, T, T. Then we have K, K. Now you have to push the middle part of your tongue kinda to the roof of your mouth, just in this point. I don't know if you can see from the side, but that's the place. And then again the air pressure and release. K, 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 right? Like karate. That's it. And now you might say that, well, if I only pronounce P, T and K hardly in Italian language, that would be enough and I don't need to pronounce the other things hardly? Yes, actually, that's the case. I mean, when I was learning Italian, I was trying to get that perfect pronunciation of the words. Try to say every letter and try to say them as hard as I can. And I was struggling just to make my jaws strong to say all those strong words and sounds and stuff. But then when I learned the Italian, I saw that Italians are not speaking as strongly as I am, so I gave up. Now the thing is, you might see Italians not pronouncing some things themselves. I mean, they just want to speak easily. They don't want to, like, how to say, make themselves uncomfortable. Why, when you can say something easier, not say it that way? Okay? You might see some Italian people just fade the end of the words, don't say the last vowel, things like that happen a lot really, and I've seen those and witnessed these things. So for your sake, for not like wasting your energy, I'm saying this is the thing. This is like the important head title of this session, and this is something that can save a lot of your time and a lot of your energy. Now, let's put that to work. For practice, I say the best way is pronounce the English words, or I don't know where you're from. You're from, I don't know, France, or I don't know, Russia, Japan, Saudi Arabia, I don't know, South Africa, wherever you're from. I didn't say one from America. Let's say you're from Canada, okay? And now pronounce the words you have in your own language, just with the stress of the Italian language, all right? I have some examples of English because I'm teaching in English to you. So let's say we have park, now it would be like park, 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 okay? Now at the O it would be Italian word, parco, 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 okay? Or we have in English the word time. Now you say time, time. Okay? Now let's make it Italian. Tempo, 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 and so on. We have the word camp in English. Now it would be camp, camp, camp. Okay? And then in Italian we have the word campo, campo, campo. Alright? Camp, campo. When I switch, I may confuse some sounds. You just spare that. Now, that was the point. That was the whole thing. Consonants, be careful about them. For more useful sessions, just follow down there and like the video if it really helps you. And I guess I'll see you pretty soon. Ciao!